Okay, today's workout is for 11. It is called Against the Clock. You will have a 12-minute running clock, and you will count the number of rounds that you complete in that 12-minute time period. So for 1 minute, you will do back squats. If you have access to weight, go ahead and rack up and hold the weight. Maybe a 45-pound bar, 55 maybe at most, so that you can get down and up quickly. If you don't have any weight on your back, you can hold something, or you can hold dumbbells, or you can hold a backpack, but do some sort of weighted squat. You'll do as many rounds as you can as many reps as you can in 1 minute, and then you're going to do 1 minute of hand release push-ups. I will show the two variations, but I've also posted a video that's an instructional video that really breaks down the hand release push-ups, and then you're going to do 2 minutes of lines, or what we used to call suicides. So go ahead and find a point where you can run here and back, and kind of have an idea of how long they are, so that when we do this workout again in several weeks, that you can do the same length of your running back and forth. So 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of hand release push-ups, 2 minutes of the line running drill. You'll keep track of your squats, so say you get to 18 squats in 1 minute, then you'll start at 19, 20, 21, 22 for hand release push-ups. Say you get to 40, then when you do your line, you'll go there and back, 41, there and back, 42, there and back, 43, and then continue counting, so that at the end of the 12 minutes, your final number might be 127 reps total of all three. So not on an individual basis, but total of all three. So counting your squats, counting your hand release push-ups, and then counting the number of lines that you ran. I'll go ahead and show you what I mean for each of these. Okay, for your back squats, go ahead and grab your weight. If you're doing a barbell, go ahead and put it back. And for 1 minute, you'll do as many reps as you can, all the way down, all the way back up, all the way down, all the way back up. Same thing on this side. When that minute is done, you'll put your weight down, and then you'll go ahead and do your hand release push-ups. If you don't have a bar, go ahead and hold the weight. And remember, you're counting continuously for the duration of the 12 minutes. For hand release push-ups, this is the kind of push-up that's often used in a competition, because you can really tell that they've gotten all the way down and all the way back up. They're not just going part way, and they're not cheating in any way. So you can do this on your knees as well. So you would start here, push all the way up, release your hands all the way up. See that my arms, my hips, and my knees are a straight line. I'm not in this position. So a straight line here, all the way down up. You can do the same for a regular push-up. Release, and come back up. So you'll do 1 minute of the hand release push-ups. If you stop with your squats at 21, then your first hand release push-up will be 22. Keep counting for that 1 minute before you then go to the line running. For the 2 minutes of lines, go ahead and choose a starting point that you'll remember, a first ending point, and a second ending point. So as you can see, I put my basketball there where the beam is, the metal beam, and then I put the yellow ball where the brick starts. So next time I do this exercise, I'll be able to remember the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and jog there and back, so that you can see that that is one set. So you'll go to your first line, you'll come back, you'll go to your second line, you'll come back, and that will count as 1 rep. So in your lines, you're not going to be gathering a lot of reps. You'll be gathering most of your numbers by doing your squats and your push-ups, and then your running is a cardiovascular time, but you probably won't get a lot of reps during that 2 minutes. So remember, 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of hand release push-ups, 2 minutes of the line drill, and then you'll do that for a continuous time of 12 minutes. And at the end, record your heart rate. So take your heart rate right when you're done. Tell me about the weather, and then tell me how many reps you got in 12 minutes. Have a great workout.